Greetings, everybody. MTECH Industries here. I'm back. My old YouTube channel got hacked and shut down. Not sure why or by who, but anyway, I'm back. Lost almost 200 videos. This is the wireless power conjugator Tesla coil transmitter Mark III. The primary is 1 inch long, the secondary is 4 inch long, and the third coil is 2 inches long, the L3, and this is the dielectric antenna. Everything has to be proportioned correctly. The build can't be too big or too small, or you'll lose your efficiency for wireless power propagation. The secondary is coated in special dielectric transformer tape. There's a few things kept proprietary on this. MTECH Industries is partnered with a few labs around the world that are perfecting this technology. And this wireless power technology is capable of using a small amount of energy to pump a larger amount of energy in the environment and create unlimited lighting and much more power out than in. There's no limit to the amount of receivers that you can run. So, I can run this off of anything DC from 0 to 100 volts, and it's extremely efficient. So, I'll show in this video just how efficient it is. I'll grab my fluorescent tube right here, and I also have this wireless pickup coil that will light. And this that comes off it is just a virtual grounded antenna lead. So anyway, I'll turn it on and show you what it can do. This DC supply can go from anywhere from 0 to 60 volts DC. So we're on now. We have illumination. And just look at that range. That's almost unheard of at such power efficiencies. 28 volts at under 1 amp. And how impressive is my range? Very impressive. Give you a quick look around the lab. It really is a bedroom lab. But anyway, I'm back at it again. And I sell this kit for $350 plus shipping. Everything on this is modular and removable. For my experimentation, the kit I sell, the parts will not be modular or removable because it looks more professional when it's mounted. I've sold about 50 of these so far. The bigger model, the smaller model, which is down there, I've sold a couple hundred of them on my old YouTube channel before it got hacked or whatever. So, not only do we have very impressive wireless power, I can take these little wireless receiver lights and they all light up. And the most impressive thing that it can do is these little wireless receiver lights will light on anything metal I touch them to. Look at that. Even in a bucket of water. You can receive much more wireless power than you broadcast. And I'll even show that I can receive the signal in my bathroom. Even lights up on my grounded wall socket. On the sink. How impressive is that? This is part 1 of the part 2 video, and the way I extract over unity from this and much more out power than input is I have these little down here, these little RF to DC converter boards, and I hook them up in a special way and I can get much more output power than input, and I'll show that in the next video. And I'm really hesitant to share some of this because this took years of work, me and the companies I'm partnered with that research this, and I'm just kind of giving it all away for free, the knowledge. I mean, there's no limit to the amount of receivers that can be run. The extra power is coming from the earth. You can create unlimited lighting. You can receive triple, quadruple, or even pentuple the amount of power in receivers than you're broadcasting. So I'm not sure how much I should give away for free versus how much I should charge for, because this took a lot of research to develop, and I need to make a living and make money. So this technology has the potential to be an endless energy source. Once it's started, it's going forever, and you're basically creating a device that's using a small amount of energy to pump a much larger amount of energy, and the environment is the catalyst that runs your loads. And I'll show you something interesting. Notice how when I better ground this receiver, the loads get brighter. See that? They get brighter. And there's no increase in power draw from the power supply on the transmitter source. So there's pretty much no limit on the amount of lights you can light as long as you separately ground each one. And if I vary the inductance by moving my hand up and down, the light will get bright or dim. And I can arrange this in a special way where I can run halogen bulbs off of this with one wire and wirelessly. And I'm hesitant if I should show that. I thank those who supported me in the past. This is my new YouTube channel. The other one got hacked or deleted or whatever, not sure why. As you see, there's nothing under the desk. The device is bare bones simple. We constructed the archform for the perfect Tesla coil. Well, nearly perfect. It's not discharging wasteful electrical arcs. It's doing what it's designed to do, create impressive wireless power, and use the environment to run your receiver loads very brightly. And stay tuned, more to come. Off. Off. Stay tuned.